بنورنا الدنيا وننشر في الفضاء أملا ونعلي عزم همتنا فمن طلب العلا وصل.
السلام علیکم and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Jamia islamia Ishaatul uloom and Department of Modern Education for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. I want to deliver my speech on the topic, be thankful for what you have. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with innumerable opportunities, innumerable blessings. I don't think we thank enough for it. If I speak about opportunities, then most of the people would think it's related to jobs, cars, big house, or all the luxury. My dear friends, we have become greedy. We have become ungrateful. We have become so calculative. Instead of being thankful for what we have, we start complaining about things we don't have. If we try and count the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will never be able to count it. Let me give you an example of one of the greatest blessings from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that is parents. My dear friends, I want you all to imagine what would we do if we had no parents. Who would cook for us? Who would look after us? Who would dress us? Who would care us? Who would pamper us? Who would teach us the difference between right and wrong? Who would look at us and smile? Who would love you unconditionally without any expectation? Who would you run to if you face any problem? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed our roof over our head. Allah has blessed us with brains to understand things. Allah has blessed us with eyes to look at His beautiful creation. Allah has blessed with food to be healthy. Allah has blessed us with legs to walk. And especially Allah has blessed us with iman. Allah has created us as human beings and gave this world to conquer and chase our dreams. Blessed are the individuals who have parents. Respect them, honor them, and never feel you are unworthy. Why? Because you are the creation of the Supreme Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Believe me, what your parents leave for you is not important. But what your parents leave in you is important. Thank you very much indeed for your cooperation and have a wonderful day.